Alright, just thought I would share with those who are interested the application of this 3D printed motor mount to adapt a PSC, which is a standard basic blower motor, off of a swamp cooler. Going to now attach this ring. This is like a third part of the steps here. Series. Get this Lexol coming out of here. There we go. Just doing this as quickly as possible. Need to get a bigger bead on there. I should have gone bigger. Frustrating trying to do this one-handed. It's all going to get smushed in there anyway. This is very strong adhesive. Gives me a lot better surface area of contact than just simply running bolts or screws. So, and let's see, probably quite a bit enough there. I'm probably just going to go through here and just add a little bit more second pass. Just enough to really smush it together and give it adequate bond. Right. This stuff's been invaluable. Alright, now we are ready to install. I'll just put this here. I need to get into get a better not sure you can see this, but I'm just gonna clean off a little bit of that tape. And burrs. Always cut away from you. Yeah, that's clean. Cleaner. I want to take my fingertip off there. Alright, good. Alright, this is ready for install. Bear with me. fire failure. Now, I've kind of already tested it, so I'm going to go ahead and apply more adhesive here. Camera up here. I might be able to show what's going on. This is going to be a super boring video, but nevertheless, we'll do it. All right. Yep, well, I'm up here good 9 feet up. And if I can just hold this, that would be nice. All right, here we go. Where should I apply it? I think I'll put it... I designed this so I have a bit of a taper, chamfer. So I figure I'll just go ahead and stay on the same plan there, and that is to... I really got the shaky hands here. I need to get better electrolytes in me. Too much damn heat exhaustion. Dealing with it all summer. I don't know what the hell that sound is. Huh? What the hell? Your radio's not on. Must have been rubbing. Let's go over here. Get this. This stuff takes a good 12 hours to fully set. Remains tacky. Oh, this is really awkward. Alright. That's the most awkward position. I hope it... Ah, come on. You can hope I'm one-handed. There. That took some strength. All right, now, if I can just get this. This is really difficult. Coordinate with one hand. I don't have a place to put my camera up here. How can I do this? All right. Well, I'm gonna have to go back to my other view here, so I have to set this motor in here. I don't know if that's even in the frame. Maybe. No. Maybe if I set this over here more, where this tool is, this might work. Let's see. I might kind of get it in there. And I'm going to put the capacitor of the motor here where it's easy to get to. I've got this Nova. The motor does spin. It's always good to have. So let's go ahead and put this in here now. There it is. All right, touchdown. Okay, we're just gonna let this set, and I might as well come in here. Now, we can see what's going on up here. I think that's enough adhesive. I gotta also realize, what if this motor is no good? So as we can see, I've got plenty, just enough really. adhesive into the joints. Here on the lower interface with the lip, centering lip. And then we've got this here. That's about a 3/4 horse, maybe a 1 horse motor. I'm not even sure what the voltage is on this thing. I'll run it off at 120 volts first, see what it does. And if that doesn't give me the power I need, I'll run it to 240. If I let the smoke out of it, not a big deal. These are readily available to Lowe's or Home Depot for about 150 bucks. So this will be a vastly improved car lift now. I've got my Nova coupler in there, ideally positioned, and that is clocked exactly where I want it. I'm just gonna have to let it sit now. I think I may well add a little bit more of a bead. Yeah, I may as well. Wouldn't hurt. Give it that much more strength so the motor doesn't torque and twist. So that's all for now, folks. I think that's going to be a little boring to show that, but that's basically the whole concept. Just got to throw a plate on here. This is the fill dipstick. This is an old Benwil lift, 7,000 pounder. Got this from the old Ford dealership in Fresno, and we're 2-level, which is fine, and we can just see the level right in here. I did put a magnetic probe in here to get any debris out, so we should be ready to rock and roll with this thing here and get this Lincoln up in the air finally, so I can get that powertrain unit repaired. It's like a gearbox that transfers. It's all-wheel drive, so that transfers the front V6 twin turbo, pretty high horsepower. It's a sleeper. Transfers the power to all 4 wheels. So that gearbox has been blown out mysteriously. So that is that. Thank you for your interest. This is CT with CT Machinery Systems. Bye for now.